Now, let's talk about launching our EC2 instances via the AWS Management Console with Apache installed and an HTML page. Step 1. We sign in into the AWS console and log in with our AWS account. Search for the EC2 instance dashboard on the search bar at the top. You can type EC2 and select EC2 from the drop-down. This opens the EC2 dashboard. On the EC2 dashboard, click on the orange button that says Launch Instance. Under Name, type something like Apache Web Server-Console. Under Application and OS image, that's the Amazon machine image, select Amazon Linux AMI, free tier eligible. Make sure T2 Micro is selected because it's free tier eligible. If you already have a key pair, select it. If not, click Create New Key Pair. Give it a name and download the .pem file. Save it in a safe location. You will use it for SSH access later. Click Edit under Network Settings. You select an existing VPC and subnet, or leave it as default. Under Firewall, that's the security groups. Choose Allow SSH for port 22 for remote access. And then you add another rule, which is the HTTP port 80 to allow web traffic. Scroll down to Advanced Details and then User Data. Press this script on your screen to auto-install Apache and save a web page. This script will automatically configure the web server and content when the instance boots. Leave the default 8 GB storage is under a free tier, and optionally add a tag like key name or value. The key, you make it name. The value, you make it Apache Web Server-Console. Click Launch and then wait for a few moments until the instance changes from pending to running. Go back to your EC2 dashboard instance and then go to your instance. Click on your new instance name. Under Details, copy public IP before address. Open your browser and paste the public IP address. You should now see Welcome to AWS CloudStats Youth Edition 2025. Your EC2 instance has successfully launched. Apache is running and the index page is saved. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect way to understand each layer of Command Console Guide if you want a downloadable PDF version with screenshots.